This video is private YouTube. How to watch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be discussing how we can solve this video is private on YouTube feature option. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you might have received for a notification for something, but then it simply says that that video is particularly private, which means that you are not being able to play that video. Now it is because the creator of that video has made it private for some reason. Now in that case, there is nothing that you can do as a viewer or a subscriber. You have to contact the creator and let them know you want to watch their private video and why you want to view it. Be sure to provide them with the email address that is associated with your YouTube or Google account. Then you can find the creator's email address by going to the YouTube channel and clicking the About tab. Then they should be able to go ahead and then basically get it in there. So this way you should be able to watch it, but bottom line is you can't. You have to contact the creator. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.